inside of a tornado.
Gosh damn it! If this hurts my car, I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh shit!
Like, oh my god!
Are you looking outside? Is it as crazy over there as it is right here?
Oh my god! This.
Like,
you can't see anything.
No, like there's gusts and like I can't see.
Dude, this
anything,
could
like,
be it. Like.
This might be the tornado.
Oh my god!
Holy shit! Are you recording this?
Yeah. Oh my
Holy
jeez.
Hey, are they still outside?
No, they went inside. Smart. Jesus. You can't even see the cars.
Yeah, this is probably the tornado.
I've never seen it blow this hard.
It's about to come. It's coming your direction.
Okay,
Oh shit, my hot dog is still up there.
I mean, at least the hail is small. I hope it doesn't hurt my car.
You can hear it outside. I want to see what it looks like from this over here.
Alright, it's dying down some. What's it like out here?
Like those people over here.
Oh my god.
Did you go down here?
What?
Or what floor are you on?
Oh, I live right here. We got lucky.
Oh, we came down here. We were like, let's go crazy.
It's settling down now.
Yeah. No, that a couple minutes ago, that was...
I'm like, we need to go downstairs right now.
That was the craziest winds I've ever seen. Shit.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Dude.
I think it's about to come to Micah.
I cannot believe
You should,
how insane that was.
you should go to your balcony.
Yeah, Davon, get her killed. That's a good idea.
I didn't say like go